Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to assemble a hard hat. These are some easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the hard hat. We're going to turn it upside down, and you're going to see the inside of the hard hat. Now you want the front of it, which has this bill over here, you want that facing away from you. Now what you're going to have is this other part of the hard hat. This is actually the part that absorbs, that flexes and absorbs a lot of the impact, okay? It allows for some cushioning, so it's very important. Now, this little protective comfort piece, in some cases, in most cases, it's going to go on the front of the hard hat. In some cases, it actually is on the back, okay? So you're not really going to pay attention to the side that this is on. What you are going to pay attention to is the side that your adjuster is on. In this case, you have this adjuster in which it has multiple holes. In other cases, it's going to have a twist knob, but that is going to go on the back of the hard hat. So line it up so that the adjustment piece goes on the back of the hard hat, which is the side here without the bill, okay? And what you want to do is get it like this so that this part right here, okay, with all of these straps, goes towards the top of the hard hat. When you're looking at the inside, this is the top of the hard hat down here, okay? So these little flaps right here have to be bent like this. So you can see they're bent like this. And the reason is because that allows them to absorb the impact with everything else that's built into this. And basically you're going to take these little flaps and you're going to tuck them into the four corners of the hard hat. Make sure your styrofoam piece is nice and tightly inside because this can actually be removed. The styrofoam piece can actually be popped out. So you want to make sure it's nice and tightly inside. And go one by one, take each of those flaps, make sure that they're bent properly, as you can see right there, bent properly, and tuck them into these spots for the hard hat. So as you can see right there, there's the first one. Make sure you give it a nice push. You're probably going to hear it snap in place. There's a second one. Okay, you can hear it clicking into place. Here's the third one. Let's push it down. All right, once again, some of these might be a little bit more difficult. All right, that one went in. And then the fourth one over here. These go a little bit deeper because of the depth of the hard hat here. So we got to push them down. There we go. That one just clicked in place. And that's it. As you can see, we have assembled our hard hat. Now, it's important to note when you start using your hard hat, the majority of hard hats are going to have a shelf life of approximately 4 years from when you start using them. So make sure you make a note somewhere on the hard hat or in your phone or anywhere else with regards to the month and the date and the year of when you started using it so that in 4 years you can replace it, because this is very important for safety. So make sure you follow the instructions. Like I said, it's a rule of thumb for 4 years. Check with the manufacturer or with the instruction manual with the hard hat to know exactly how long it should last, but as a rule of thumb, 4 years is like a general rule of thumb. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to assemble a hard hat with some easy instructions. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.